Well, again a very good morning to you, class. Today I am here back again to teach you about the present perfect continuous tense. So topic for today is present perfect continuous tense. Though I have already taught you, but for your sake again I am going to explain you what is the difference between perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. The very first thing is that you have studied that time duration or period of time only comes in the perfect or perfect continuous tense. In continuous and simple it is not there. But what is the difference between perfect and perfect continuous tense? Suppose this is 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock and say tomorrow. I have already taught you, that's why I am taking it in a faster way. And this is the present time. Right now it's 4 o'clock. Suppose the rain starts here. It is rain. And rain starts at 3 o'clock. I started to go out from my home at 3 o'clock for some work, and definitely because of the rain, the impact on me is that I get wet. My clothes get wet. At 4 o'clock, if the activity of the rain stops, then it becomes perfect tense because the activity is over, finished or complete. But nobody knows at what time the rain will stop. Maybe it can continue after 4 o'clock also, or maybe it will stop at 4 o'clock. So when the activity start in the recent past, crosses the present time and may or may not continue in the near future. The activity started in the recent past, 3 o'clock. At present it crosses the present time, it does not stop here. If it stops here, it will become perfect tense. But if it does not stop here and may or may not continue into the near future, say 4:30, say 5 o'clock, say 5:30, then it becomes perfect continuous tense. So this is the basic difference between perfect continuous and perfect tense. That is, in the perfect tense the activity stops, whereas in the perfect continuous tense the activity continues. But both started in the recent past. So quickly let's understand the uses of it. Here the first use is when the activity starts in recent past and still continues, it is the use of perfect continuous tense. For example, the saints have been singing hymns for 1 hour. So here in this sentence, what I understand, there are some saints who have been singing hymns for 1 hour. So they have started singing the hymns before 1 hour. The activity start in the recent past and they may stop after 1 hour. If they stop after 1 hour, it will be perfect tense, but they have started to sing it before 1 hour, activity started in the recent past, or they may sing it for half and more hour, or they may sing it for 2 more hours. So there are chances that the activity starts in recent past and it still continues. That is the use of perfect continuous tense. Now next use here is with the actions begin and repeated by now. So when I am saying it is they have been going to their English classes. What I meant by it, they have been going to their English classes. Suppose they have joined their English classes before 2 months. So from the last 2 months they are continuously going to their English classes, and they may or they may not go for 1 more month or 2 more months or for the whole year. So again the action is repeated by now, but action begins sometimes before. Next use is with the actions, situations just stopped. For example, she looks sad. Yes, she has been weeping. Now she is looking sad. Why she is looking sad? Because there is an impact on the present. She has been weeping. She is weeping for a duration of time, and may or may not again she will start to weep. So these are just the 3 uses. Now we will solve a simple exercise to understand these uses in a correct manner. Supply the correct verb form using present perfect continuous tense. Here I am writing few of the sentences. They dash a bridge for over a year, and it is still not finished. Verb form is build. Next is she dash computer for 6 months, and she has not learned much yet. Verb form is learn. Next is the children dash all the afternoon. Verb form is sleep. Next one is the pipe for ages. For ages, we must repair it now. Leak is the verb form. One more I will write for you. The fifth one is I dash food for all the day for the party. Verb form is cook. So what it is, let's understand the first sentence. They dash a bridge for over a year. Now this word is important, for over a year. What is the verb form? Build. It means that few people are there who build a bridge for over a year. The activity started before a year. For the whole year it continues. So time, duration and time, distance is there, period of time is there, and it is still not finished. It means from over a year they are trying to building a bridge and it is not still finished. So definitely they are going to finish it. The activity will continue in the future also. So when the activity started in the past and still continue, because it will continue because they will finish it, then I use present perfect continuous tense. Here they is there, I use have plus been plus build and ing form. They have been building a bridge for over a year and it is not still finished. Again I am explaining you, activity started before a year and it will still continue. It will still continue till the time it will not be finished. Then I use perfect continuous tense. Next one is she computer for 6 months. That is, she started to learn computer before 6 months. Activity started in the past and she has not learned much yet. It means if she has not learned, she is going to continue to learn the computer till the time she will completely learn it. So again the activity started before 6 months and will still continue. At that time I will use perfect continuous. She is singular. I use my auxiliary verb as has plus been plus learn and ing, learning, continuous form. Next is the children all the afternoon. It means some children are there who were sleeping when the noon starts and they may or they may not sleep more. Maybe they will not wake up, they will sleep a few more hours or a few more minutes, or maybe they will wake up, I do not know. So when the activity started in the past and it may or may not continue in the future, we use perfect continuous tense. Children is plural, I use have plus been plus sleep ing, continuous form. Next, the pipe for ages, we must repair it now. Leak is the verb form, that is some pipe is there which is leaking for ages. For ages means from a long time and we must repair it now. It means it is still not being repaired, it is still in the same condition. So the activity or the action of leaking will be continued till the time it will not be repaired. So that is the reason. The activity is from a long time and it is still not being repaired, it will continue. So pipe is singular, I use has plus been plus L-E-A-K and I-N-G, leaking. Next, I have food for all the day for the party. It means there is a party at my home and for the whole day. From the morning till the time when I am speaking this sentence or the speaker is speaking this sentence, the food, the activity of cooking the food was continued. And I am not sure whether the food for the party is already cooked whole or still if it's remaining. So activity again travel a duration of time, a period of time, and it may continue in the future. So I is plural, I use have plus been and COOK-ING continuous form. This is how we solve perfect continuous tense exercise, and I have explained you every of the sentence why I have framed it in perfect continuous tense and not it perfect or simple or continuous tense. Now for your practice I am writing few more sentences here. 5 more I will give. 5 I have solved for you, so that at your home guys you can practice it. And again I am telling you, when you practice exercise, you can open your notebook, you can see the uses if you have not learned, but if you have learned, that's very sweet of you, but try to solve it. Next one is we dash about it for 2 hours. We dash about it for 2 hours. Verb form is discuss. 7th one for your homework is the radio dash since 7 a.m. The radio dash since 7 a.m. I wish someone could switch it off. The verb form is play. 8th one for your homework is I dash with him for 10 years. I dash with him for 10 years and he has never greeted me. Verb form in this sentence is work. Now next one for you is I am sorry to keep you waiting. I dash to make a telephone call. I dash to make a telephone call to Mumbai for some time. Verb form for this sentence is try, T-R-Y. And 10th and last one for your homework is her telephone dash for 10 minutes. Her phone dash for 10 minutes. I wonder why she doesn't answer it. I wonder why she doesn't
answer it.
Verb form is
Ring.
so these are the 5 sentences from 6 to 10 which you have to complete by yourself. Tomorrow I will come, I will answer these questions to you, and 5 I have already solved. Today what we have done, today we have studied 3 uses of perfect continuous tense. Today again we have revised what is the difference between perfect and perfect continuous tense. Apart from that, 5 questions we have solved and 5 you get for your homework. Try to solve it with your open notebook. Till the time, thank you for the class guys. We'll see you tomorrow again.